Right, previously we set some passwords to protect our router protection while we log in through console. Next, protecting through the VTY sessions like transport input telnet, and thirdly transport input SSH. After, we also learn how to know the password which we have forgotten. The registry value that we should use is 0x2142 in order to bypass NVRAM. And the default mode registry value is 0x2102. So if you know these two, you will know how to switch between the normal boot mode and bypass boot mode, NVRAM bypass boot mode. Now, what if the passwords were encrypted? We forgotten the password, we bypassed NVRAM, but unfortunately, the passwords that are showing in the running configuration is encrypted. What will you do? You can give your own view first, no? Then I'll tell you what we should do actually. Fine. What you will do if you see an encrypted password? You've forgotten the password, so you use the room 1 mode and change the register value. But when you see the passwords are encrypted, what should we do? China India. Right. What we'll do? Any idea? You see, I'm in room 1 mode. Configure 0x2142. And no. So it allowed me to enter in without giving any password. Unfortunately, nothing is there. Show run. No IP address, nothing. It's blank because NVRAM is bypassed. When you type show startup configuration, these passwords, if it appears encrypted, what you will do? You came here to know the password, but the passwords are encrypted. What should we do? Okay, let me create that scenario. For that, I need to go back to normal mode. Config register 0x2102. Don't save here. Just change the config registry value and reload. SWISS ZUIC enable. Okay. To encrypt all the passwords, there is one command, service password encryption. You see, when you put this command, what happens is all the passwords will be encrypted. Show run, you see, the passwords are encrypted. Now, saved. And let's assume that we forgot the password and we are trying to log in. Right? And we forgot the password, so we want to recover. I say conf reg 0x2142 put right. So when I say show running, nothing will be there. But when I say show startup to know the password, I do see the username, but the passwords are not okay. Actually, for you and me, we know this is India, this is KL, this is Zurich. Yeah? But if you really forgotten the password, how you will know it is India, KL, and Zurich? Not possible. What will do? Give me your ideas now. I'm waiting.
Decrypt again.
No, there's no chance of decrypting. It won't get decrypted. Only encryption here. It won't decrypt and show you the password. There is no chance. No, there is no option to reverse like that. So means what you said is you need to cancel those encryption command, right? And do it.
Yeah.
If that is the case, even the attacker who is or whoever, I don't know. He may be an attacker or he may be some thief in our office who was already logged in. He will also use the same command and see the password. If one decryption command is there available, or if someone will cancel the command that I gave to encrypt, like service password encryption, no service password encryption. If that will decrypt the password, then everyone will do that. There is no need for encryption then. So it is like to your house, you put a lock, and if the key is forgotten,
Private key.
no. So to your lock, if key is lost, if everyone can create one key, what is the use of lock? So the option is this. Please focus. What I'm showing you is startup memory from the startup memory. And I'm also seeing the usernames, but what I don't see is the password. Anyhow, you have forgotten the password, but you know the username. So what you can do is now, currently running configuration has got nothing, no passwords, nothing. I can do one thing, I say copy the startup configuration in NVRAM into running configuration, which is DRAM. When I hit enter, you see the host name, everything will changed. which means I have already logged in. Now I have copied the username and password. Yeah, you see, still it is encrypted. This command will not really support you to decrypt. No service password encryption. Service password encryption. This is not going to decrypt. You see. So the option is you need to use the same username and create another password. Username China, and the current password is 123. Again, username Korea, password is 123. So this will override that one. Username Swiss, password 123. Finished. That's all. This we will save it now to the NVRAM. Now the old password in NVRAM is gone. So no service password encryption command will not decrypt. We have to give different password. For that, you will copy from startup configuration to running. Right. Now let's go back. Configure registry 0x210 0x. Reload. Okay. Username Swiss. Password 123. I'm inside. Yep. Fine. So we have seen how to recover from a lost password, means forgotten password. If it is encrypted, you're going to copy all the startup into running after you log into the DRAM in the bypass mode, and you will change the password for the same username that you had earlier. So you don't change the username, only the password you change. If you want to change both, you can change, but you may like the same username, only the password. Fine. Next. How to back up our configuration. Why should I back up? The reason why I have to back up is if in case this router goes bad, if I have a backup, I need to simply take a new router and put it there and copy the backup so that I don't need to do all the configuration in this new device. See, if router crashes, I have to do everything from the beginning, like assigning IP address, enabling telnet, SSH, giving password. All this that you have done, in the real network, we will run 100 different things in a router. So if router crashes, you have to redo everything. Yeah? So instead of redoing everything from the beginning in the new router, you can simply bring the backup into the running configuration and then save it to the startup configuration. Or if you want, you can also directly copy it to the startup. It's up to you. You can copy to NVRAM. Sorry, to NVRAM or DRAM. It's okay. Now,
I'm not able to hear anything.
sorry, how long it was
I
like
think
this?
for past 5-10 minutes.
For
Yeah.
past 10 minutes. I heard some sound, so I came back. I came here and I saw. I thought nothing was a problem, so I continued. Sorry. உடனே கால் பண்ணிருக்க கூடாதா வாட்ஸ்அப்ல?
நீங்க பிஸியா இருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைச்சேன் சார்.